Hi, I'm Xavier from 3D Hands, and I'm going to just show you a short video on my range of motion and my residual limb, and then I'm going to demo the kinetic arm. My elbow is here, and that's the length of my residual limb below my elbow. I have a full range of motion, so I can fully flex and extend my arm. This allows me to use the kinetic arm, which is a body-powered assistive device. By bending the elbow, the fingers can close. For me to use this, I slide my arm in. There's Velcro straps running throughout the arm that allow you to tighten it as you find comfortable. I like mine quite tight, so I'm nice and securely in now. And when I bend my elbow, I can close the hand. The wrist can independently move, which adds an additional degree of freedom. This helps out for picking up objects. An example of me picking up something up is with this cam. I can bend the elbow and close the hand around it and get a really firm grip. I can then spin the wrist to another position, which allows me to pick up this object easily from the top. I can come in. The more I bend my elbow, the stronger the grip strength will be, and that will mean that this object's not falling out. That's me using the kinetic arm. Hopefully that was useful. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in applying for a kinetic arm device, please send us the 4 pictures we outline in the scaling document, along with a short video showing us your range of motion at your elbow. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Reach out to us if you need any further assistance. Cheers.